In today's world, we spend more time than ever on our phones, computers, and other digital devices. While technology connects us and makes life easier, it can also take up too much of our time and attention. This constant connection can cause stress, distraction, and even reduce productivity. That's why a digital detox is important. A digital detox means taking intentional breaks from screens and digital devices to refresh your mind and improve your well-being. It helps you focus on real-life activities, reduce stress, and regain control of your time. Here are some simple steps to start your digital detox. Step 1. Set clear goals. Decide why you want to do a digital detox. Is it to spend more time with family, improve your sleep, or reduce stress? Knowing your goal helps you stay motivated. Step 2. Schedule device-free time. Choose specific times each day when you will avoid screens. For example, no phones during meals or 1 hour before bedtime without devices. This helps create healthy habits. Step 3. Turn off non-essential notifications. Notifications constantly pull your attention. Turn off alerts for social media, games, or apps that are not urgent. This reduces distractions and frees up mental space. Step 4. Create no-device zones. Designate certain places like the dining table or bedroom as no-device zones. This encourages more meaningful face-to-face interactions and better rest. Step 5. Replace screen time with other activities. Use your freed-up time for hobbies, exercise, reading, or spending time outdoors. These activities refresh your mind and body, better than scrolling on a screen. Step 6. Be mindful. When using devices. When you do use your phone or computer, focus on your purpose. Avoid mindless browsing by setting a timer or using apps that limit screen time. Benefits of a digital detox. A digital detox can improve your sleep quality, reduce eye strain, and lower stress levels. It can help you feel more present in daily life and improve your relationships. Many people find they become more productive and creative after taking a break from screens. Remember, a digital detox is not about quitting technology forever. It's about balance and using digital tools in a way that supports your life, not controls it. Start small and build your digital detox habits over time. Your mind and body will thank you for it. Take control, reclaim your time, and enjoy life beyond the screen.